Ayi Ayala. Ayi Ayala. I'll solve the question no man Charlie Choma together. Okay, let's solve this question together. The question reads, by the time she arrives at 4 p.m., I blank the meeting, which started at 2 p.m. A must finish. B will have finished. C should finish. And option D would have finished. Please, what is your answer? At this point, before I start my explanation, please choose your answer using the comment section judiciously. Then you can now listen. This question is from the grammar section of English language, specifically focusing on verb tenses. Yes, this question is testing our understanding of the future perfect tense and our ability to identify the correct tense to describe an action that will be completed by a specific point in the future. Generally speaking, this question is testing our knowledge of verb tense, sequence of events, and application of future perfect tense. Before I give you the correct answer to this question, I want to quickly intimate you that intensive tutorial for 2025 UTME, that is JAM UTME and SSE, are currently in progress at Akai Tutors Ile-Ife. Akai Tutors provide decent hostel accommodation for students who are outside Ile-Ife at a bearable cost. Should you are interested, you can contact the management of Akai Tutors on 08038644328. The number again is 08038644328. Or you can visit akaitutors.org, akaitutors.org or latestgist.org. Thank you. Now let's come back to our question. The correct answer to this question is option B, will have finished. Why? This question tests the usage, as I've told you, the usage of verb tenses, specifically the future perfect tense. The sentence describes an action, that is finishing the meeting, that will be completed before another action, she arrives, in the future. The future perfect tense formed with will have plus past participle, that is will have finished. Finished here is the past participle. Okay, now this indicates an action that will be completed before a specific point in the future. While other options from the list of options are not correct, in option A is not correct because must expresses necessity or obligation, not future completion. Option C is also not correct because should expresses suggestion or recommendation, not future completion. Option D is also incorrect because would have is used for conditional or hypothetical past situations, not future predictions. The statement we read, by the time she arrives at 4 p.m., I will have finished the meeting, which started at 2 p.m. So option B is the correct answer to this question. By implication, we can imply or infer from this statement that the meeting will end before 4 p.m. when she arrives. Thank you for joining me in this segment. My name is Joseph Iyaji. And don't forget, this tutorial is sponsored by Akai Tutors Ile-Ife. And Akai Tutors has angrily commenced intensive tutorial for 2025 JAM UTME and SSE. You can contact the management of Akai Tutors at 67 Oduduwa College Road off Sabo Junction, Ile-Ife. Thank you.